doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
Hello, handsome.
Good morning. It's 7 a.m.
And where are we?
in Warsaw, Poland.
Yay!
We are getting ready.
Ready for the big event.
Wow, I cannot wait.
As we had a full day in Warsaw, we decided to explore the old city. In our way from the hotel to the historical center, we made the first stop to one of the most important places in Poland, the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, a monument dedicated for, as the name says, the unknown soldiers that gave their lives for this country. The monument is located in Piłsudski Square, near the Saxon Garden. The tomb is constantly lit by an eternal flame and always assisted by a guard post. The changing of the guard takes place at every full hour. Here is where the most important military ceremonies in Poland happen.
Such a beautiful place. How it's like to be in Poland and enjoying such a nice weather?
It's the first for me. Usually we were coming in November.
Our journey continued towards the old town. On our way we saw the presidential palace that, before we discovered what it was, had the name of the big beautiful white building. The old Warsaw welcomes you from the castle square with colorful historic houses, places to eat and relax. Here you will also have a great view towards the National Football Stadium.
There's the National Stadium.
In 1980, the old town of Warsaw became part of UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites. The whole area is outstanding, as it was almost entirely and precisely reconstructed after the World War II. If you want to travel back in time, surrounded by medieval buildings and cobblestone alleys, this is the place to go.
Oh my god, we have arrived at our hotel in Warsaw. This is our gorgeous room. Can't wait to relax a little bit, because until now we have spent the whole morning and a little bit of the afternoon walking around the city center, and now we have to sleep because tomorrow will be a full day with a super big event. Oh my god.
The room is quite nice.
Yeah, and
Bathroom.
gorgeous. Yeah. And this is our view. See you later.
We are here, close to the tree of life. This is the chilling room, yes?
Yes. Chill area. So nice and so much fun.
I'm excited about this event.
The Winterfest in Poland, in Łódź. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh, can't wait.
So now we are preparing
For a once in a lifetime event.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit nervous and anxious.
Yeah. In a few minutes, we'll meet the full cast. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I cannot wait.
The tension, the nerves, the excitement, everything. It's wow.
Once in a lifetime.
Yeah, can't wait. We have this opportunity. We are so lucky. We are so lucky.
Here with my potion.
I want to provoke you. Wait a second.
Patrzcie pod nogi, bo grząsko.
Wow. Ikimora. The first one. Another? I think so. Ikimora was the first one. Then Striga. Guru. Yes.
Miriapool. monsters almost got me.
Lucky I was there to save him.
Yeah, my beautiful elf.
Slash dwarf.
This is a nice combination.
One of the most exciting and fun days in our lives.
Fun for you. For me, look what I got.
What a day, full of emotions and a very, very big surprise for us when we met the cast. Oh my god.
Unexpected.
Unexpected, yeah. Yay! What a fun day today.